What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, yes, I still have no garage, but we are one step closer in the process. We got all the stakes laid out of where the building is going to go. We got all the gravel down and it's all leveled out, and we're ready to build a garage. If you watch my first video, I'm not building the garage myself. I'm having somebody else build it for me. And I just decided to do that because I can keep working while the building is being put up, and instead of just completely stopping work and trying to build this, I can still work for my customers. So I decided to have somebody build it. But I figured I would do a little mini series, and I did all the demo and the concrete removal myself. Obviously I had help, but I wanted to do it myself, basically to learn how to do it, number one, and number two, to save myself some money. This way I could take that money that I saved and put it into the garage and have some upgrades in the garage, whether it be a nicer inside or a nicer heating system, things like that. So that's why I decided to do all that work myself. But in the video today, you'll see the first part of it will be me tearing down the garage, and I'll go through the process that I used. I did a little drawing so you guys can see exactly how we did it, because I didn't record that first part. And start to finish, we had it done in about 6 hours, and that was from the time we tore it down till it was all in the dumpster. Now that was just tearing down the garage. It has nothing to do with the concrete removal, which you'll see that on another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for future notifications. Okay, so I did a little drawing for you guys, and I forgot to record the first part of the process. So what we did was I went up on the roof and I cut 4-foot wide strips on both sides of the peak. Then what we did is I went back and then I cut a hole in each part of this. And then we wrapped a chain around here and then a strap around the chain, and then we basically just pulled it down in sections. It wasn't that bad. It was pretty easy. We did have to go inside and cut some of the rafters, and then we did this ridge board run all the way across her. That was holding this whole thing together. So we did have to cut that too all the way through as we went. And then for the sides, all we did was we just got it in manageable sections. We took a Sawzall, just cut all the way down, and then basically just pushed it down by hand. But that's how we did it. If you guys want to see the things that I do on a daily basis and that's more up to date before I get the videos up on YouTube, give me a follow on Instagram at JoshPerfectPro.